Okay guys, welcome to Let's Go Catch Some Snaps. And well, what I did here, I rigged all this up right here just to test the light before I install it in the boat. Okay, so this is the light that's going to go, like I mentioned to you, on the Proline. So I'm just going to touch the positive wire here, and there it is, it lit up. See it? Okay, now let's see if it turns. A second, sorry about the... There you go, turning left, turning right. Okay, now we're going to go up and down. Yes sir, let me go all the way around with it to make sure it's working 100%. There it is, all the way that way. Then it'll turn all the way back. That's it. So the middle of the light, and that's an important thing to know, guys. Okay, that would be this way. Let me turn this to the front here, just like that now. Should be stopping in the same place on both, if that were the middle. Okay, so let's turn left. That's it. Turn right. So the middle of this light, I think the middle of the light should be right here. We're going to try one more time to make sure this is correct. That will be the middle of the light. So when I turn it left, that would be it. When I turn it the other way, perfect. So this is the middle of the light. This is the way I got to install it now. Put it right in the front so that way I know exactly where I have to drill my boats. All right, and we're done with that, guys. So we already tested the light, and we found that the light is functional, working 100% correctly. And now on Monday, we're going to start the installation. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe.